Yeah, friends, hello and welcome you all on my channel. Uh, name is Genuine Review, where I provide you my honest review about the newly launched product. So, friends, today I'm going to share you something about this software. Name is Creaite software. So, friends, this software help you to generate uh, content for you nearly within 90 seconds, as you can see here. So friends, this software basically use artificial intelligence technology. And friends, I hope that you all are aware of what is artificial intelligence. You might have heard this term in robotics. Hmm. So friends, here also this software will use artificial intelligence technique to generate uh, content for you within any niche with under 90 seconds. So friends, what does this means that means this software will create content for you for any kind of niche. Uh, means it could be from 25 to 50 of niche. And friends, second thing that you don't have to write content yourself, or you don't have to hire any content writer for your site. So friends, as you know that they do charge a lot, so it's better. Like if you use this software, you just don't have to spend any further uh, uh, dollar or to hire someone to just write content for yourself. In fact, this software, as I mentioned, it uses artificial intelligence based technique that will generate the content merely in 90 seconds. And the content may be from 300 to 1000 word article. So you just don't have to worry means that my word count would get uh, exceed or something like that. This software will take care of the same for you. And friend, like I said, that the content won't be copyrighted content. Content would be genuine AI generated content. And like I said, that it would be a unique containment, means there would be no duplicacy in any of content that you have generated using the software. So friends, this is a small walkthrough to the software, and this is the author of this software which was seen on my screen. He has created this uh, amazing software, and friends, this is the dashboard of the software. Like once you log in, you just see like these are our menus. Means you can see like if once you have started creating article for your blog or your site, you can see like how many articles have been created for you, how many articles have been posted to WordPress. Yeah, friends, you have got it right on WordPress. Like friends, you can link your WordPress account with this Creaite software. Like anytime you publish any content on WordPress, that will automatically sync with this software or vice versa. Like if you create content with the help of this software, the content would be au- au- automatically published to your WordPress site. So this is also a great feature about the software, and this is a simple walk away, like how this will work for you. Like friends, as you can see, like how you can create a new article. These all things are mentioned here, and these are some of the randomly generated content using the software, friends. Like these are the terms like arthritis, back pain, email marketing, immigration, acne. So friends, the content that you are seeing on my screen, these all are created by this Creaite software. Okay, so means you just don't have to do anything from your end. All you have to do is you just have to buy this software and just plug in this software, and rest of the thing would be done by this software itself. You just don't need to worry about it. Friends, here these are the some of the bonuses that you will get once you buy this software. This is the bonus one that you will get, and it is worth $297, which you will get free. This is the bonus two. It's worth $497, which you will get free. This is bonus three, and here are some of the bonuses. And friends, yeah, and also like if you are interested in buying any of the packages, so for now you will see two uh, uh, packages here. One is a light version and one is a pro version. So these all are all are the features that you will get once you buy this. Things like if you are just starting to just start your own service or your own business, then for me, this the package would be worth for you. Like you can create multiple things, and these all are the feature that you will get. Okay. Yeah, friends, and also if you want to just know more about this software, I do have a site for you. It's called getgenuinereview.com, where I have provided all things that you want to know about this software, like how this will work and what you have to do, and if you buy this, what means how you have to create and publish your articles. These all things I have mentioned on my site, friends. So I will provide the link to my site under this video. So you can easily just go through my site and you can know more about the software. And yeah, friends, one more thing. I will also provide a complimentary bonus from my site other than the software. Like friends, you will get bonus from the software and also from my end as a gift for you. So these are the few bonuses that you will get. This is bonus one is paper booster. This is bonus two affiliate marketing domination. Bonus three Amazon affiliate blueprint guide. You will get to know that how you can make money online using Amazon. This is also an Amazon blueprint. This is how to make money using ClickTime. And this is bonus six. This is all includes any mental flow plugin, newspaper, pro plugin. These all are licensed version plugin design, which I'm giving as a bonus for you. And this is also worth for you. It's an Amazon affiliate plugin which will generate which will generate affiliate content for you using Amazon. Okay, and these are bonuses. So friends, like if you want to get, if you want to receive these bonuses, like I have also mentioned, to claim this bonus, you just have to send a screenshot of your purchase receipt. Like friends, like if you do purchase from my link, I will send you these all bonuses that I have mentioned on my site for free. Okay, and will also help you like how to use, like if you do need any help, I'm also uh, assist you on that. So friends, I have provided link to my site, to my email, and to my Instagram handler below this video. So if you do have any kind of query related to this software or my site, you can ask me, mail me, or message me on my Instagram handle. And in case if you do want to receive a bonus, Like what I mentioned, you can send me a screenshot of your purchase receipt, and I will send you bonus on your mail or on your WhatsApp number. So thank you, friends, for just sharing your valuable time for me. And just I request you to do subscribe my channel to get latest updates on upcoming products. So thank you, friends.